What is up guys, Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover my favorite website for reading the latest crypto news and earning crypto tokens just for visiting the website. And the website here is publish0x.com, and on here you get hourly and daily reports on the latest crypto news and updates. And these are self-published authors who cover the entire crypto space, everything from blockchains to DeFi to NFTs to development to the latest market cycles. And the cool thing here is simply for reading the article, you're allowed to tip the author, and you can also receive some of the rewards for yourself under this tip box. So this website is completely free to use, and it's a powerful resource for staying up to date with the latest crypto news. If you look at my dashboard, you do see so far I've accumulated close to $6 worth of Ampleforth, close to $6 worth of the farm token, and they just added a new token, which is the Statera token. And the cool thing is, when you're finally ready to cash out, you can add your KuCoin user ID and transfer your coins over to KuCoin. And from here, you're free to do whatever you'd like with the tokens. Again, very straightforward website. I like to navigate to the popular tab and read some of the more popular posts. And from here, you can keep up to date with whatever is happening in the crypto world. All you'd simply do is come down to the tip section, and the sliding bar here, you can tip 20% to the author and 80% to yourself. And on the other end, you can tip 100% to the author and 0% to yourself. So if you want to continuously keep earning these rewards, I like to tip 20% to the author and 80% to myself, and you would hit tip here, and it shows you here you've tipped 0.021 Statera to the author, and yourself you've received 0.08 to your Publish0x wallet. And again, when you're ready to cash out, you would go to your dashboard here and go ahead, click on payments, and you would add your KuCoin ID. Again, you would require a KuCoin account. KuCoin is free to use. It's non-KYC. You can remain anonymous. And if you go over to your dashboard, right underneath your email address is your KuCoin ID number. We'll go ahead and copy that. Go back to Publish0x. Go ahead, paste that in. Hit save. Great, and once it's in your KuCoin account, you can actually swap it for some USDT Tether stablecoin under trade, spot trading. And for market up here, you would just type in AMPL, which is the ticker for Ampleforth. And as you can see, there is a Ample USDT pair. You can also swap it for Ethereum or Bitcoin. So let's say we wanted Tether, we choose this, and right at the bottom here, you would go to markets and click sell Ampleforth, 100% sell, and now you've converted your Ampleforth to USDT stablecoin. So now with this stablecoin, you can buy any other token available to you. Once you have that, you would go back in here and swap the Tether coin for any other pair. We have Terra USD, USDC, DAI. You can look at other altcoins such as Luna, XRP, Decentraland Mana, Monero, XMR, Cosmos Atom. The list goes on. Possibilities are endless. Again, the website here is publish0x.com, one of my favorite websites to use to stay up to date with the latest crypto news. And also, if you're an author, you're also free to publish and write on this website. Just enroll on their website as an author, and you too can start earning crypto just for writing blog posts. And you can also keep up with their official Twitter page at Publish0x. And on here, they do share some of the latest news and sweepstakes. So that about covers how to use the Publish0x website and how to earn crypto coins just for reading daily content. And keep in mind, there is a limit to how many times you can tip per day. I believe it's roughly around 10 tips per day. And after that, a time watch is set, and you do have to wait a couple of hours for you to begin tipping again the next day. So let me know what you think about this website. Go ahead and sign up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.